Surprise, motherfucker.
Today we're hitting all the honey holes because I have a friend who came down from Kentucky, borrowed a truck and everything else so he can furnish his apartment. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to furnish it on the cheap because when you have no money, you turn to the dumpsters. You shut your whore mouth! Record your ass getting in. Find of the day, air conditioner. I know you want it. I don't want it. I don't need it. Rapper's down to $80 a ton. Don't you want it? We'll get it for your apartment. I don't need it. I got central air. You got central air? Yeah. Well, then, damn it, I guess we don't need it. I love this one. Mattress frame. This used to be a car wash. That's the weird part about it. We left a mattress right outside. Yeah, so it's plugged on like that thing is beat in. It is beat in. Looks like fat people have been fucking.
How are you today? Are you good? Your hair looks beautiful. Look at your hair.
$10 and a lamp. Devon, get the table. There's an umbrella in there. Is there? Look, you got planters. Is it metal? It's all metal. That's nice. That's beautiful. And an umbrella. We'll get straps. Get it nice and wet, and it sucks up all the nasty. It's beautiful. So for $10 and running dumpsters for maybe an hour and a half, we got a lamp, a coffee table, 5 pillows. Well, there's 4 right there, but he's got the other one over there where he's shampooing the couch, and a trash can, and a couch. So altogether for $10 in about an hour and a half of your time, $100 living room set. And the funny thing is, this man now lives in Kentucky and has a job where he makes over $30K a year. But the one thing he can't afford is furniture. That says a lot about the American economy. But when you go out and find all this stuff, and you have $10 in your lamp, your coffee table, your throw pillows, and your couch, which will be shampooed like new, that says a lot about the human spirit and persistence.